Wow. I wasn't ready for that either.
Fuel remain 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
I ain't even trying none of those. Nope. It's a waste of the space.
Percent.
You and your twirly.
50, 0. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0.
That could change that the landing line.
You break it. Reverse fold.
Okay, nice.
50%. 50%. Time remaining 50%. Course 4.12.
Natalie, you got quite a bit of sky, faster than everything.
Just go like to the end of the runway and turn around. Yeah.
G-force 4.72.
Nice.
50%.
Right into the sun, Salaza.
25%. 0. 0.
Yeah, that's a little tough.
You get a little help on your taxi speed with the tailwind.
Keep your head in the bucket. I feel the same way.
Question is what happens when you put the right gear. A little bit of power on all the time, then land. Margot and I were talking about something yesterday that
That is 50%. Gear up.
Look at that.
Wind side when I'm up with the FPV, and I say, okay, well I'm going to land
You
here.
just cut off the stick. Imagine that joker will float, float, float.
50, 0. 25%. 50%.
It's gusting up to 9
50%.
miles an hour, Johnny.
That's pushing Johnny's plane. I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
50%.
upside down turn.
Yeah, that was wild.
50%. 0. 20. 50%.
Look at that, trying to do a roll.
I had a hard time doing it slow. Oh, that's nice. Wow.
I can do it slow in a jet. Propeller's 50-50. All right, let's see if we can do it slow. Nope.
Can't do
That's
it.
slow enough.
50%. 50%. 50%. 50%.
Complainer.
Yeah. There is nothing to complain about. Nothing.
0. 25. 0. 25%. 50%. 0.
Oh, whoa. I still. It's like a carrier takeoff.
Yeah. Short.
Whoa, that wind is hot.
50%. 50%.
What's that wind chant up there, JD?
50 for 0. 25 for 50%.
Johnny's fine. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty windy. Make no mistake.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I wouldn't think so. No, I think I'm done.
G-force 50%. 50%.
Okay. Well, enjoy your day.
I'm
Stay
going to
warm.
the house. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
50%.
No, I can't blame them. You flew twice. You had enough fun. Was
Yeah.
it twice or 3 times you did?
Right, take it on.
Percent. 25%. 0. 25%. 0.
Nice.
I think I'll join you.
0. 0.
That roll.
G-force 5.21.
5.21. That's good. That's a personal best in this one.
G-force 4.39. 50%. 0.
A little higher than I like, but
You're fine. On the glide slope.
25%. 0. 20. 0.
Wow.
That was good.
Almost stopped. On airport.
Yeah, already, yeah. I hang by the tail.
50%.
Thank you.
Gear up.
Guys, it's exactly the same thing Marco said. Once you trim it in a knife edge, you
50%.
not all
50%.
whether it's all your
Wow.
I saw that.
Me too.
That little
The only thing is just remember where the switch, emergency bailout switch is if you have a problem.
I might take it. I might take it.
And also, the way the wind is today,
Uh-huh.
that's
50%.
really not helping.
It was worse yesterday. Yeah, it really does. I mean, it's beautiful. It really looks like that typical light line.
All the way around playing, but whoa, see the wind did that to me.
Feel like a kite.
Be careful in the wind.
And orientation kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 10. 0. 25. 9. 8. 7. 0.
Like I'm fighting the wind, literally fighting the wind.